For today's cup of coffee, we have kid falling in the background and going on, but yes, I think that the house still looks like freshman year, pretty much. And on the other side, of course, we have the infamous wall of fuckery. But what I want to discuss is this thing right here. Now, that does not look spooky or scary or supernatural. That may, which was a wonderful art piece that my friend Daniel did for me many years ago. But thermostat. And this has happened more than once, and it happened, I think it was last night. And so came in, had to turn the air conditioning on for a while because at this point in the season, it'll be hot one minute and cold the next. So it's always a constant struggle to try to keep temperature controlled properly inside the house. It's a tiny house, so it wouldn't be that hard, except that we have to keep doors closed because of cats. Anyhow, after the house had started cooling down a little too much, I came in here, turned the thermostat up, which meant that I had effectively turned the air conditioner off, and it kept running and running and running. And so I went and looked, and it was turned back down. And so youngest kid, of course, he got the blame. I'm like, why are you messing with the thermostat? And he's like, I didn't touch the thermostat. I said, you're promising me. And this has happened, like I said, before. So whatever thing is in the house, if it's hot or if it's cold, it can do like the rest. It can put a hoodie on and take a hoodie off. So it's like, no, don't touch my thermostat because that's money. So if you have supernatural, paranormal, if you have specters that want to mess with the electronics in your home, if you have chupacabras or big feets or UFOs, any of those things, send them to me by email at cupofcoffeewithscream@gmail.com. And you all have a beautiful, blessed day with a perfect temperature.